The Central Organization of Trade Unions, COTU, today got a reprieve after the Industrial Court sitting in Nairobi suspended the revocation of the COTU representative on the NSSF Board of Trustees. Justice Moni Kambaru set aside the Gazette notice that had retired COTU Secretary General Francis Atwoli and the Federation of Kenya Employers FKE representative on the Board of Trustees of the NSSF, Jackline Mugo. Baru overturned the Gazette notice until July the 25th, when the matter will be heard. In the matter, Atwoli argues that the Labour Cabinet Secretary Kazungu Kambi has no authority to revoke their appointments and that the move was unconstitutional. Through his lawyer Judith Guserwa, Atwoli said his fundamental rights were contravened because he was not notified of the alleged retirement and only learned of it through the media. In the meantime, an activist, Charles Omanga, moved to the High Court to have the Gazette notice set aside. Earlier in the day, speaking to Channel 1, Kambi charged that more heads would roll on the board of the trustees of the NSSF in a move he said was aimed at injecting fresh blood on the Board of Trustees of the NSSF that will ensure the mandate of the NSSF adheres to novel trends that respond to current demands in the marketplace.
I'm going to do more reforms. I get so angry if a person has been in the board for 15 years. 15 years is not a short time, my brother. 15 years is not a short time. So what has he been doing? Can he tell Kenyans?
Quoting the State Corporations Act and the new NSSF Act, Kambi urged COTU to nominate a representative to the Board of Trustees to replace Atwoli, who he said had already exceeded the 2 terms of 3 years each stipulated in the Act.
I'll follow, 1, the Constitution, 1, the relevant acts. That is the State Corporations Act and the NSSF Act. I cannot run away from that.
The Cabinet Secretary on Friday revoked the appointments of Francis Atwoli and Jackline Mugo from the board of the NSSF, saying that the two had served for more than 2 terms of 3 years as stipulated in the new NSSF Act. Judith Akolo, Channel 1 News.